solution to our labor manufacturing problem in Connecticut. I'm Mark Greenstein, giving it over for any in the General Assembly, or potentially it just needs the governor's approval. Here we go. Really easy. We have a near crisis in not having enough people to work in skilled and semi-skilled labor for our manufacturing plants. We're losing business, and potentially we're going to lose the companies themselves to southern states where they can find people easier. Here's what we do. There are still hundreds of people in Puerto Rico who've been displaced by Hurricane Maria a year and a half ago. There are business people in Puerto Rico that are hurting because of the displaced people and the impoverishment that has hit a lot. Bring them here, okay? If they speak English and want to work, bring them here. Many have family members, so the transition's easy. Some don't, but the state of Connecticut has housing. I was just at one of those very good housing places today. In Rocky Hill, there is a 2/3 unoccupied veterans home. Temporary residence for probably temporary workers. But if they want to make their home here, great, they're on the road to it. These are Americans. This is not illegal aliens without the proper identification. This is good for manufacturing. This is good for them. It could become a model of how we do immigration to non-Americans, okay? Start them on work programs. If they want to become citizens, go through the right channels. 7 years later, they turn a green card into citizenship. The right kind of citizenship, in my mind, is you've learned English, you're not taking welfare, and you do something that makes Connecticut a place that's more than just a place. It's a home, it's a community that you yourself want to give to. Then you could get that started. You could rescue a lot of businesses and help a lot of humanity at the same time. I'm Mark Stewart Greenstein. Good luck.